Y'all, we're gonna make some amazing pizzas. That's why we're gonna do it in our new Ninja Woodfire Oven. Y'all wanna stick around for this one, baby? Let's go. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ. Welcome to my backyard. So incredibly excited you're here today. Y'all, we just got our hands on the new Ninja Woodfire Oven. Added it to my Woodfire arsenal, right? And today we're gonna do some pizzas on them. Just simple red sauce, a little prosciutto, little parm, little mozz, simple pizzas. Now, I just got my hands on this, so this is gonna be the first cook. And being that it's, you know, it's an all-around oven, but it gets those high heats. It's gonna take it up to 700 degrees. So we gotta do some pizzas first. We got that pizza stone in there. Guys, this is the real deal. We're gonna have some fun with this one. Can't wait to do many more recipes, but first and foremost is the pizza. Now, if you guys wanna see my unboxing video, I'll put a link for it right here. You guys check it out. It is a very quick video. It just shows you what you get in the box, walks you around the unit. It's pretty cool. With the quick start guide that comes with the Ninja Woodfire Oven, there's an actual pizza dough recipe. But luckily for me, my wife's a baker and has her own YouTube channel, plug. It's called the Bitchy Baker, and she did a little short on how to make this pizza dough that we're using today. So go ahead and watch that now. What are we making today?
Easy, no rise pizza crust.
All right, how are we gonna make it?
Well, I'm gonna show you how we're gonna make it.
All right, why are we making it?
Because the kids are hungry, again.
Damn kids. First step.
1 1/4 cup of warm water and a tablespoon of yeast. We're gonna let it proof.
Yeast is doing its thing. What's next?
Separate bowl, 3 cups of flour, a tablespoon of sugar, and a teaspoon of salt, and we're gonna mix it all up. A tablespoon of oil. We're gonna add the yeasty water into our flour, and we're going to stir it up until it's all combined and not wet. All mixed up, ready to be kneaded.
Why is there flour on the board?
Flour down, bread down so we can knead it and it doesn't stick.
Get those aggressions out.
It's true. We're gonna do this for 5 minutes. All done, ready to portion it out. This will make 4 personal pizzas. Enjoy.
Thanks, honey. Appreciate you doing this for me. She actually prepared the dough for me this morning. So we're ready to start making some pizzas. What do you say? First thing we had to do was roll out the pizza dough. I was able to get 6 portions from this one. So we're gonna get 6 little 8-inch, 10-inch round pizzas, okay? They're gonna be thin crust. We're gonna do it on the Napoleon style. There are actually 5 pizza settings for this one. There's a custom one, a Napoleon, New York style, thin crust, and deep dish, or pan pizza, all right? So we're gonna use the Napoleon. That is the highest heat pizza setting. The other ones kind of trickle down as you go. I have really nice thin crust pizzas in here. I want that high heat on them. I want to get some char on there. That's why we're going to use that Napoleon setting. That's 700 degrees, okay? So we rolled out that dough, made nice little personal size pizza rounds, okay, of the dough. And then we got to get them set up, right? We got to set them up with your favorite toppings. So that's what I did on the first pizza. I'll set up the second one as we're cooking the first pizza, okay? But we did the first pizza inside real quick. Just some store-bought pizza sauce. I got a little prosciutto, a little Parmesan, a little mozz. Perfect, okay? Pizzas are very customizable. You do whatever you want on your pizza except add pineapple. I don't like that. But there's millions of people who do, so, you know, how could they be wrong, right? Anywho, let's go ahead and get this thing fired up. Since we're using the highest heat setting, the Napoleon setting, it's gonna take a good 25 minutes to get totally preheated. I'm gonna set it up for that. I'm going to use the Woodfire flavor button on there because I want that wood-fired pizza flavor. Just gonna use some competition pellets that I got, you know, the blend pellets, no big deal. So I think I covered everything. I wanna get started. Let's get over to the, you know, Woodfire oven station. What do you say? Stick around, let's go. Team, we got our pizza stone in there. We're ready to roll, right? Let's go ahead and turn this bad boy on. I'm gonna go to the pizza setting, the furthest most setting. Like I said, it says Napoleon thin, New York pan, frozen, and custom. So I left off the frozen one. But as you adjust the dial here, it'll show you how long it takes for each setting. 15 minutes. There's your temperature, 425. Frozen 420 minutes. Custom, obviously you adjust through temp and time. So as we go back through them, you can see that the temperatures rise, but the timing lowers. And we're gonna go with the Napoleon. It should only take 3 minutes. I'm gonna push that wood fire flavor button. I'm gonna go ahead and hit start. Now it's gonna go through the fire up process. Well, I never thought I'd say this, but smoke is rolling out of my oven. Or at least in the good way. I was going through that ignition process. I did want to explain that this unit did not come with the pizza peel. It's an additional accessory, and I'll put a link for it below if you want to get it from their website. But they just sent me the unit. Ninja just sent me the unit, none of the accessories. So I'm getting a little creative with it today. I have a smallish wood cutting board that I put a bunch of flour on and then put my pizza on there. It's gonna act as my pizza peel, and I may have to nudge it off with a spatula or something like that, but that's how we're gonna get the pizzas on and subsequently off. So you do what you got to do, but using a nice, small, smooth cutting board works just as well as a pizza peel. All right, guys, nothing left to do but wait for this thing to heat up. I will keep track of it and let you know if it's a true 25 minutes to get that 700 degrees, but that's exactly what it says in the book, so we'll see. All right, come on back. Y'all, we are finally ready. It took 22 minutes for those who care. All right, so if you're gonna use the highest setting to make your pizzas, it's gonna take at least 20 minutes. Probably a little bit more. Let's get this pizza on, make it happen. All right, come on. Y'all, it says ready to add food, so we're gonna add food. But real quick, I wanted you to see the inside temperatures, okay? It says 713, 712. So you're getting all that 700. Now I have some heat-proof gloves right here. I'm gonna pull this out to make it a little easier. Got my big old spatula right here. Since I don't have the peel, and this has been sitting for a while. Ah, crap. Well, you know it ain't a pizza if it ain't deformed. We'll have to try that one again. All right. Oh, it is what it is. I think it's been sitting a little too long, but that's all right. We'll scrape off that stone. It'll still get cooked up. We're gonna shut this down, hit start. It'll give us the 3-minute countdown. All right, come on back. Hey, y'all, we got our pizza done. We got that char we were looking for, definitely. Go ahead and get it out. Looks like a little heart. It's kind of burned heart, but it's a heart. All right, we're gonna shut this back in there. We have another pizza ready to go. There's our little heart pizza, a little crispy, but that's okay. Now this pizza, I got the deal floured a little better. So let's open this back up. Ooh. All right, went a lot easier on that one. Let's get that shut down. Hit start again. We'll take a look at it when it's ready. While that pizza's cooking, I just wanted to shoot the outside of the wood fire. It's hot, but it's not, you know, you could touch it, but I wouldn't grab onto it. Just so you guys know, the outside gets pretty hot too. And then the door stays pretty cool. Okay. Halfway through, I'm going to move this around a little bit. I'm noticing that it's a bit hotter on the left over here, and that's why that crust got a little burnt. So we're gonna shut that back in there. All right, guys, this one is looking a lot better. We're gonna go ahead and pull this one out. Let's check it out. Woo, that is a lot better. Shut that back down. I have more pizzas to do, but we're gonna finish out the video here. That is a fine looking pizza right there, if I don't say so myself. Got that nice char, beautiful. It's like pancakes, you always gotta bust the first one and then the other ones turn out great. Let's go ahead and give this a slice. We made it personal size. Got a nice crispy crust there. Turn it up so you can kind of see. Nice, nice. I'm gonna let that cool down a little bit and then we'll give it a try. All right, guys, I let it cool down just the slightest bit, but it's time to give it that taste test. That is looking gorgeous right there. Beautiful. You know you want one. It's hot still. I'm gonna burn my mouth just for you. That's how you do it. Give it the old New York fold. Woo! Hell yeah, that was really good, baby. Got that crunchy charred crust. Like I said, that first one we did, it's like a pancake. The first one's always a sacrificial lamb. We got it taken care of. All right, make sure that cutting board or the peel or whatever you use to put the pizza in is nice and floured so it slides right off, okay? Or use that semolina flour. It'll be a lot easier for you guys. Thanks to the Bitchy Baker, and I'll put a link for her channel up there, for making that wonderful pizza dough for me this morning. It's very tasty, and I plan on, I'm not done yet. I got 6 more pizzas to make, so we'll make those happen. Guys, if you want to get yourself one of these Woodfire ovens, hit the link down below. It is an affiliate link to Ninja Kitchen, but it's my affiliate link. You don't pay anything more, but it helps out the channel. All right, get a small commission. If you want to get anything in my videos, knives, cutting boards, merch, all that good stuff, links are all down below. If you want to become a show producer like all the awesome people scrolling before you right now in front of me, guys, people who love them some nice pizza, hit that join button right next to the subscribe button, which you should have already hit by now. But other than that, guys, we are done. Listen, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.